When you pet a parrot's back, how do they respond? Chance.
They open their mouths.
Tommy.
They absolutely hate it.
Courtney.
They go, feathers go, brr. Yeah.
No. Angela.
It turns them on.
It turns them on.
I'm just guessing.
Yes. Stick to your guns.
It makes them feel good. Pleasure.
That is correct. They get they get horny. Petting a parrot's back induces strong mating hormones and will often make them view you as a mate.
Your two answers were they get high and they get horny.
Yeah.
School.
Yeah, I remember seeing comments on TikTok of videos being like, "Don't pet birds on the back. And it's like not like
Or
it's
you
not appropriate."
Wow.
Ew.
The bird's like, really?